Hello, good afternoon everyone. Today we will learn about build and deploy a Docker image to a Kubernetes cluster. This is a challenge lab. You can search it by this link and you can draw the lab with me as well. The topic cover build and tag Docker image or sample application, post tag image to container registry, create a Kubernetes cluster and deploy the application that we created before to Kubernetes cluster and export use service until the application is accessible. You can download the sample application by click on it. This student resource section, and I already click start button and I will click open console. There are 4 tasks that we must pass to get the page. We must to create a Kubernetes cluster, build and post image, create the application, and test the application from the browser. Okay, first we have to create a Kubernetes cluster with the following specification. The name of the cluster is echo cluster with N1 standard 2 machine type, and it must in US Central 1 region. US Central 1 zone. Okay, you can click this section from the navigation menu. In the Kubernetes engine section, click cluster menu. Create when we will create a cluster, we can click this button and choose GKE standard type, and wait a minute. Okay, I will paste the name here in the US Central 1A zone with machine type and 1 generation and 1 standard. Okay, let's create with click create button here. It takes several minutes, and we can continue through lab while we wait the cluster is ready. Okay, wait a minute. I will activate the Cloud Shell. I will use the CLI instead, and already plan this command. Okay, here the commands are several steps. First, we have to export the project ID. We have to copy the sample application that Google Cloud Skill Boost already prepared. It's saved on the cloud storage, so we can just copy it to our terminal and extract, and we can build it with this command. Give the image with the specific tag version 1 and push it. Just as simple as that. Okay, wait, it not yet already yet. Okay, yes, I will authorize. Okay, copy and extract. And then we can build the build the echo-web image with a version 1 tag. Wait a minute, I thought that the cluster is already, oh, not it. Oh yeah, assessment already completed. We can check it by this button or via this. Okay, and you can give the tag image and post it. We can confirm the image was already pushed or not via this here menu. We can verify the image in here. Okay, the image is already pushed and we can continue to deploy the application. Okay, back to the cluster, you can close it. Click the workload section and then I click deploy. To deploy application, I click select to select the image, the echo-web image that will before. Click done, click continue, and give the application give it application name echo-web, and then click deploy. And then we have to expose the application to make sure that the application is accessible from outside. Click expose to let others access your deployment. Expose it via service. Click, and then the target port is 8000. You can verify it by the description. The service type is load balancer because we want to access the application from outside, so we need the external IP or public IP. Okay. Wait for the load balancer is ready. Click my progress. Wait a minute. Alright, here's the public IP. We can just click on it and then wait until the application is accessible. Sometimes it takes several minutes. Yeah, got it. This is echo test version 1, host name, host IP, and we can click check my progress and then make sure that all checkpoint is passed, and congratulations, you can click end lab button. Thank you.